Wouldn't you like to know when price is actually going to retrace in a bull run and then push back up in advance? No, it's going to come and happen. Like, I mean, like 15 minutes before it happens, you're going to know it's coming. You're going to get an alert that's going to tell you that it's coming. How would you like to know that? Well, how much money do you think you could make if you knew something like that? Let's find out. Let's find out real quick. How much would we make if we just threw, I don't know, just like 3 contracts on this, right? We clicked buy, knowing that this was the actual retracement, and we just targeted the high. Right? There you go. There's 2,500 bucks. What if I told you I invented something that tells you when this is going to happen? Would you use it? How much is it worth to you? Do you want to see it? I'm going to show it to you. Watch this. This right here is a 15-minute and a 30-minute zone that's turned the 30-minute candle into a 30-minute support resistance zone. And this is the 15-minute doing the same thing. They're in lockstep with each other. Yes. Boom. That is the 15-minute leaving the 30-minute, indicating a bull run. All right? That's not your entry. You're going to get an alert when this happens. And then we're going to wait. And we're going to wait. And we're going to wait. Okay? We're going to wait. That's what we're waiting for. This is a new 30-minute candle. This is a bunch of unfulfilled orders. And it's showing you exactly where they are. Watch this. You could put a limit order right here. Stop loss right here. Target a 2 to 1. Whatever you want to do. There it is right there. And watch. So let's recap. You got an alert. Ding, ding, ding. You waited for this box. You either limit ordered it or you market executed when this beacon line turned green like that. Oh, too good to be true? No, it's not. This happens all the time. This happens there's the one we just did. Here's another one right here. Boom, boom. Look at this. This was just on a bigger scale. There's another one. Here's this leaves, comes down, and there it goes up. Market ended there, so we can't see it anymore. This is one of my main strategies. This is what I do. Same thing for bearable or bearish. It's the same stuff over and over again. It's the same thing. You can do this on higher time frames. You can swing trade with this. I use the daily leaving the weekly zone to swing trade Bitcoin. That's how I do it. Here's another example. This breaks out, comes down, and it actually retests the 30-minute and goes instead of hitting the end cap. This is a market order that I would take since it didn't come down here. You can get these alerts. See this right here? Breaks away, comes down, and look, it finally comes into the zone. And guess what? Price just explodes. You only need 1 or 2 of these a day, and you don't even have to stare at the screen and wait for it to happen.